Hello my friends, John Laspina here, the Carnivore Teacher, continuing with my very quick mini-series on animal fats to cook with. Today we're going to talk about goose fat. That's right. Composition of goose fat is 30 to 35% saturated in the form of palmitic and stearic acid, 55 to 60% monounsaturated fat and oleic acid, and 10% polyunsaturated fat in the form of linoleic acid. So goose and duck and lard are a little higher in linoleic acid, and I recommend not using them as frequently because they're a little higher. Where do you get goose fat from? I don't think I've used it before. It's available in gourmet shops and of course online. Maybe I'll order some. It's used in French cooking for roasting potatoes and meats. We don't eat potatoes on a carnivore diet. Maybe you do. But goose fat is like duck fat, very flavorful, I hear. I have no personal experience with goose fat. Maybe I'll get online and buy a jar and experiment with it. That's what you should do. You experiment with things that you've never tried before that are healthy, that you've learned about that are healthy. And then you can add them to your routine and say, oh, I've had goose fat, duck fat, ghee, all these cool things to give your variety. I also think it's very healthy to not just eat meat alone, but to have various forms of meat and the different fats from the different kinds of meats. It's healthier as a carnivore to have a well-rounded balance of different kinds of fatty acids. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share. Talk to me. Share with friends and family and leave me comments and tell me if you use goose fat or you'd like to. Take care. The next one, by the way, bone marrow.